Hello, good morning everybody. This is Douglas from Beachtown Property, and today we've got a quite exciting day because we have the President coming in and also David Collado, who's the Minister of Tourism, because they're opening the Fisherman's Village. Now this Fisherman's Village burnt down for the second time in my lifetime here in 2021, and it's been rebuilt. And today is the inauguration, and the President and the Minister of Tourism are going to open the place. So it's going to be very, very busy. So I'm just going to get down there now to show you what it's all about before the place gets blocked off by the police and all that sort of stuff. Because the President, you know, he's the head man. He's a good guy, the President, we like him. So I'm also going to show you a few other things. So bear with me while we go on this little trip, and I'll give you a little chat. Okay, so I'll just walk from my office, which is sort of over there, and this is the Pua Plaza, rather, and this is a really nice shopping plaza and hotels, and they're built like two ships. We used to have an office in here, but we moved because it's a bigger place. So we've got nice sushi restaurants, sports shop. We've got lots of very nice places here. So I'll just give you a little tour around here. And there's all the coffee bars here, and people like to frequent this, have a nice time, hairdressing salon. And then, as you see, we're now coming down to the beach. You can see the sea is there. And there's one of my friends there. So we're going to go down to the beach area, and as you can see, they're putting the stage up, and we're going to see all this. And later today, it's going to be like chaos here. You are not going to be able to move one bit. You can already see the traffic starting to get a little bit busier, but all of this is only this construction they've done. They're building a new bridge across the river, because the old bridge well, it's sort of like got busted up, and then you can see that they've put a stage here. This is where they're going to be doing all the presidential things, and everybody is getting very excited and all these things. So we're just going to take you a little trip round here, watch we don't fall over the cables. And this is the new Fisherman's Village, which is rather fantastic. Now we can't get in it at the moment because they don't allow us to, but we can certainly walk along the beach here. And this is the main beach in Las Terrenas, as you can see, and we can have a little look about what they're doing here. And as you can see, they've built all these places, and the majority of the companies that were originally there, they're going back into the Fisherman's Village, and they've done a very nice job. As you can see, all the places are very similar, and these are all going to be restaurants. Some of them are going to be bars only, and others are going to be shops, because they're going to limit the amount of restaurants that they've got here. And they've also put in here a state-of-the-art firefighting system, and I know it's pretty powerful because I drove past here the other day and they were testing it, and the guy could hardly hold on to the hose, and he was spraying it around like there was no tomorrow. So it was all pretty good. So these are the buildings here, and we've got the nice steps and the block paving. And then we're continuing on the front. So it's a great achievement that it's finally getting to be opened, and the President's coming down to open it. And it's interesting to see when the other people will be here and when things will finally get finished. So we're just going to have a sneak preview in here. Look. You can see they're setting up one of the rooms in the offices there. That's where they're going to be having a dinner for the President, I think, because he's going to have his dinners. And then these have got toilets, and they've got I say the firefighting systems as well. And they're all very nice things. And it's great for the town to finally have this back. And they've paved all the road and put all the other items here, and this is the firefighting equipment, and as I say, they tested that yesterday, and it's got a high pressure pump on it, so it's most excellent. So hopefully in my lifetime the thing won't burn down again, you know. And they have to get special dispensation off the president. This is the presidential decree to actually build this, because you're not meant to be building within 60 meters of the beach. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. Got a few clouds. The water's a bit rough. It's usually like a mill pond here, but you know, it's amazing that we've had like almost 3 days without rain, which is a miracle, because it's basically rained from November onwards. Anyway, so this is the fisherman's village. It's all going to be very exciting and a lot of action going on later on. So I'm going to sign off and get back to my office. So thanks for watching this. Right, so we've just left the fisherman's villagey stuff, and I was just talking to my friend Darius, and we're just walking back to my office now. And as you can see, there's nice clothes shops here on this side, and there's a sports shop and stuff on that side. And then this is Unveiling, which is a real estate company with my girlfriend in there. Look, the blonde one. No, I'm only joking. She's not my girlfriend, really. My special girlfriend's Helly, as you know, my beautiful wife. So there's another clothes shop, and then we get to our place here, Beach Town Property, where we live. And this was meant, you know, the old colonial style and stuff. Look at these beautiful flowers. You see these? These are really pretty, aren't they? Anyway, so we get to our nice little office. Watch we don't get run over, because there's always a lot of cars going. And here we are. This is us. If you want to contact me, you can see who we are. In fact, there's also a special code you can scan. And here's Spotty. Spotty's come to see Helly. Spotty's come over. Yes, there's beautiful Helly. And Mr. Charisma's come in as well. So we've got Mr. Charisma and Spotty come over to see us. And they come over because they feel safe here, and plus they also get some water, as you can see, and some food we put out. And look how pretty Spotty is. She's the spottiest little devil. Don't you like the camera, Spotty? Okay, we'll turn it off. Okay, goodbye, people.